We live in what's called the global village because we can connect with people around the world as if they lived next door.
Set. We're riding on the internet, cyberspace, set free. Hello, virtual reality.
Interactive appetite, searching for a website, a window to the world, got to get online.
A century ago, we had industrial economy, which was the age of manufacturing, where an individual was earning through physical labor in factories and they used to make goods. And now we are heading into an economy where people are becoming self-employed, building businesses through their creativity, giving employment to others, and this is leading to a big cultural shift in the future towards freedom, expression, and independency of an individual. Here are some stats. In India right now, the market cap size of the creator economy is $75 to $150 million a year compared to $1.75 billion a year globally. Right now, more than 50 million people are creating content on internet in form of writing, videos, podcasts, music, designing, and different forms of value providing content.
So now you may be thinking, what does this has to do with me? Why do I even care about creator economy if I don't create anything?
Well, it does. Because a big cultural shift is coming in the future of jobs and businesses and how people are going to earn and get employed.
And most importantly, if you are a creator, then you have to pay close attention to this.
First, look at this. 4 forms of leverages through the ages. Labor 1980s, capital 1990s, code 2000s, content and media 2010s. If we simply define creator economy, it refers to the independent businesses and side hustles launched by self-employed individuals who make money off of the creativity, knowledge, skills or following. After the Industrial Revolution, mass media has been an important tool of promotion for centuries. Brands used media to market their products and services through traditional media. But then came internet, where platforms like YouTube, Vine and Instagram gave people of any background the chance to showcase their skills without being dependent on the traditional media. Then we saw a rise of many content creators who rose to fame, influence and wealth. If you see, the economy has always been creator economy. There has been famous artists, inventors or entrepreneurs in the past, but internet has amplified this whole process. And then the brands started pouring huge amount of money on these new age creators for promotion. According to MediaKicks, the sponsored influencers contribute around $8 billion and it is expected to grow to $15 billion by 2022. But now you may think, why the hell would these brands invest so much on these creators? The answer is attention and trust. Attention is the new currency and it is scarce, and so is trust, as everyone is trying to sell you something for their own benefit. The person who has the most attention and trust of a group of people on internet, their influence goes up, and that's what brand deals are looking for. There is no denial that today's creators and influencers have more impact on the youth than some of the A-lister celebrities of cinema. They are literally living the dream life, doing what they love, having their own studios, giving employment to several people, making loads of money, building huge audience and building business empires through it all.
The two major contributors in the creator economy are the creator and the audience. The creator provides value and the audience gives their attention, and the creator earns by monetizing that attention.
The creator earns through the ad revenues, which comes from ads that runs on the platform they post content on. Right now, the biggest example of this is YouTube ads. But this is a very little part of this economy. The creators were facing a problem on these platforms of dependency on them for ad revenue. So it opened a whole new path of diverse income sources for these creators. Here comes the brand deals. As we saw above, these brand deals are a very good source of income. But here we have one more problem. As the market has become saturated, only the top creators are able to make that top % money, and rest of the middle class content creators barely make any income out of the ad revenue. Then came the platforms like Patreon, Twitch and Substack, which opened the doors for creators and its audience to make transactions through subscriptions by directing their audience to these new platforms. These platforms allows the creators to earn through subscriptions or selling products, digital or physical both. Substack writers take home 90% of subscription revenue, Twitch partners collect half of their subscription fees, and Patreon creators get paid between 88% to 95% of the subscriptions. This is the exact reason why platforms like YouTube introduced channel memberships, Facebook launched subscriptions, and Twitter introduced super follows. Now these giant companies are competing for the creators' payments. Once an economy starts growing, it needs infrastructure to expand. This provides opportunities to build startups, businesses, media agencies, and influencer marketing platforms to support the economy, and that's exactly what's happening right now. There are hundreds of startups building infrastructure to support these content creators manage their brands or social media influence. Platforms like Kajabi and Skillshare helps the creators to build and sell their online courses. Teespring helps creators to sell their merchandise. The investors have also become interested in this marketplace now. That's the reason some companies have moved to unicorn or near unicorn status, including Patreon, which recently raised $155 million at a $4 billion valuation. Kajabi, the online course platform, is the top funded company in the market map, having drawn $550 million in investment at a $2 billion valuation. And there are many such companies who are getting to that level. Here's a line by Jay-Z.
I'm not a businessman, I'm a businessman.
This is exactly what is happening with the top content creators right now. Recently, Mr. Beast, who has a huge subscriber base of 64.3 million subscribers on YouTube, started Mr. Beast Burger, which has sold more than 1 million burgers. This shows how brand power can build huge businesses run by individuals. Ankur Warikoo, founder of Nearby.com, said this about creator economy. The next decade is going to see the rise of mega influencers, creators. In fact, my prediction is that this decade will see the world's first 1% unicorn emerge. This is how things happen in creator economy. You create interesting content and provide value. You build audience, then you monetize their attention, and then existing platforms introduce new ways to earn more, and new platforms rise for other sources of payments. Startups and businesses start building to manage your businesses. Investors start investing in those platforms and startups, and everyone gets the opportunity to make a living in this economy. It seems like there are huge opportunities for everyone in this economy, from the creators to the founders to the business people to the investors. We will also see that the job of a creator will be among the most desired ones in the future because of its flexibility and freedom. And there will be an appreciation towards creativity in the society, as Naval Ravikant said it best. When you look back in history, the most valued people of every era were creators, be it artists, inventors, or entrepreneurs. And this economy is just getting started. So if you have some creative ideas which you want to share to the world, which may give some value to others, right now is the best time to begin, because with time, competition will only keep rising over here.
Thanks for watching the video till here. I hope you have understood something about the creator economy. If you got some value by this, give it a like and share it with your friends. And I will be making such content on business, money, life and entrepreneurship on this channel. And if you like such content, do subscribe it for the further videos. At last, if you have some ideas to create something, then start now. Don't wait anymore. Bye. See you in the next video.